Hi YouTubers, this is Toyhound here to review a Grab Zags DC Comics Series 1 minifigure blind bag. And here it is in the package. It shows Grab Zags DC Comics, and it shows Batman, Superman, Green Lantern, and then a comic book illustration of Batman. I think it's supposed to be from the New 52. Then it shows one surprise figure inside, collect all 8. And choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old, is for 4+. And here's what it looks like on the back, and other characters you can collect. And there's Zag Toys website for more information. And now I'll rip it open and see what's inside. And it looks like we got the Joker. Let's see if it's supposed to, yeah, it comes with a little stand, and the stand, well, I'll show you the figure first. That's what the figure looks like of Joker. Has a cool looking smirk on it right there, his little cane. And the stand, this is what the stand looks like. And you just kind of press it in. And then the stand right there, it says DC Comics. And it just fits in like that. You can adjust it. And there's a little notch on the end. I think your design where you can interlock them together. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna guess that that's why that tab's there. If you get all of them, you could probably interlock them together. That's what it looks like on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Be sure to thumbs up this video, comment down below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.